This video shows how to use our vacuum pump for fluid sampling for best results. Start with cutting a suitable length of tube from the tube roll. If possible, make an angle cut to prevent the tube from adhering to the walls. Loosen the pump screw connection and push the tube through the pump head until it's visible by approximately 1 centimeter on the other side. In doing so, no fluid can enter the pump, and the fluid will flow into the bottle unhindered. Secure the system by tightening the screw connection. Now unscrew the bottle cap and screw the bottle onto the pump. Insert the other end of the tube into the fluid you wish to sample. Make 2 or 3 quick strokes to generate vacuum, then press the piston inward. This action will allow the bottle to start filling up. If needed to get enough fluid for the sample, pull another couple of strokes. If the bottle is starting to overfill, you can easily break the vacuum by loosening the screw connection on the pump head. When the bottle is filled to the desired level, unscrew the bottle and put the cap back on. Before loosening the screw on the pump head to remove the tube, cut or clean the tube to prevent contamination of the next sample. This way, the pump can be reused for multiple samples without any need of cleaning in between.